something insane is going on right now. There is loud cracking thunder in Anaheim, California. It looks like it's gonna rain. Hope not. We're here at Disneyland, Halloween time, and there's genuinely only one place we could go first.
That perhaps you've seen in your dreams. The stockings, all hung by the
I think we waited about 35 minutes, which wasn't too bad, thankfully. Right now, I need to get a pretzel. Like, it's imperative that I find a pretzel. So that's the mission. That's the mission. The pretzel has been acquired, but something incredible and insane is going on right now. There is loud cracking thunder in Anaheim, California. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like it's gonna rain. Anyway, hope not.
Alright, what do you give it?
10 out of 10. Every time. Thunder again.
Leslie, you can scoot over.
As you can see, it rains. As you can also see, I'm not wearing my ears yet, and that is because I have not decided on a pair. In other updates, we are heading to Indiana Jones. That you too?
Your outpost on Bottom is no longer safe. 20 seconds.
Feel.
I'm hungry.
Are we joining the resistance or no?
No. I'm a rat for Kylo Ren.
You have what I want.
Hold on tight. R5 is going to get you all home.
There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. There they are! Fire! The escape but ultimately hopeless.
More escape pods down in Sector 4.
We have just shoved lunch down our throats. Sam got a chicken tostada. I got cauliflower tacos at Rancho Zocalo, is that what it's called?
Zocalo.
It's like 1:30. We're gonna do one more ride or maybe 2 more rides, I don't know, in Disneyland and then head over to California Adventure, I think. Update, it is Rancho Zocalo, in case anyone was wondering. I probably ever bought.
Where are we headed?
I don't know. We're gonna see if I fall in love with a pair of ears. It's been too long of the day without me wearing ears, and that never happens. Let's see if there's anything over in California Adventure.
Big yawn.
Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud. Thank you!
Please gather your personal belongings.
So I know what you're thinking. I don't have any ears. I thought I would too. Lo and behold, I didn't find any that I was in love with. And spoiler alert, we're coming back in like 30 days. So I'm gonna do something that's very unlike me and not wear ears this whole day, unless I find something that just really grabs me. We'll see.
Back in Disney.
We didn't stay in California Adventure for very long, but we're off to get a pickle and go to Pirates of the Caribbean.
Just recording you right now. Club 33 is bumping. Got a light show going. Some sort of party going on in there. In the parks. We are walking back to our hotel and it's gonna get loud on the street. Things not vlogs. I got peppermint tea. We got kicked out of the line for Autopia because it broke down. How do cars that run on propane break down? Beats me. Number 3? I don't remember what number we're on. I got this jacket. I think you saw me point at it, but this is the jacket I got. I'm not in love with it, but it got really cold. The next thing we did, a cousin of Sam's that lived local, he came and visited us, so we went on Space Mountain with him. Sam, however, he was feeling a little worse for wear, so he did not go on. But he did wait in line with us. And now it is 11:50. We're getting picked up in like almost 6 hours to go to the airport tomorrow morning. So not thrilled about that. So we're headed back to repack, get ready for bed, and sleep for a few hours before we go to the airport. All in all, it was a great Disney day. It was very busy at the parks today, like abnormally busy than the last few times we've come around Halloween time, but it's to be expected with how Disneyland is these days. But anyway, would you say it was a good day?
Great day. Great day. In my defense,
You're gonna point the camera at you, or?
it was a great day. And in my defense, I had a tuna sandwich, and I guess
apparently the Starbucks refresher is what did him in.
yeah, it wasn't that, like, I just felt a little queasy, and then while we were in line, I was like, it'll be gone by the time I get there. And then it's the last ride of the night, and I thought, why do I want to end my night feeling nauseous? So I just didn't go on the ride. I'll go on it next time.
Anyway, it's not that big of a deal. Also, since we already have, like I said, spoiler alert, we do already have tickets for November 9th. So we will be back in like, I think like 29 or 30 days. All of that to say, we're gonna shut things down here. We're gonna close out the vlog. Thank you for watching. If you didn't, that's really okay. Because I know not everyone has an obsession with Disneyland like I do. And that is gonna be it. We'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will probably be a flight attendant vlog.